Welcome to Adeeb Tips and Tricks. Technology has made the world a smaller place, and social media has been a big part of this change. Social media apps such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have not made communication easier and more dynamic, but it has also changed the way we communicate. And so, people across the globe observe June 30th as the World Social Media Day, in order to recognize the contributions made by the social media. So, on this World Social Media Day, here's a list of features that make your Instagram experience safer. Number 1. Two-factor authentication. Activate it by going to your settings, then privacy and security. You can find two-factor authentication. Just turn it on. This feature adds another layer of security to your Instagram account. It safeguards your account by requiring something you know, your account username and password, and something you have, your mobile phone, every time you log into your Instagram account from an unknown device. So, if someone has your password but does not have your phone, they cannot access your account. Let's log in from a new device. As you can see, it's asking for one-time password. Number 2. Choose who can see your posts. Switching to a private account allows users to control who sees their posts. With a private account, users can also remove followers without blocking them. To switch to a private account, follow these steps. Go to the settings gear from your profile page, then go to privacy. Now in connections, tap on account privacy. Now tap on private account. Number 3. Control the comments you want to see. Instagram enables users to control who can comment on their posts. If users see a comment on their post that they don't want to see, they can delete it by swiping left and tapping the trash icon. Users can also disable all comments on a post by tapping on advanced settings before they post, and then toggling turn off commenting to the on position. Number 4. Managing unwanted interactions. Instagram recently launched a new feature to help people manage multiple unwanted interactions at once. Users can now delete comments in bulk and restrict multiple accounts that post negative comments on the platform. Number 5. Choosing who can tag and mention you. Tags and mentions can be used to target or bully others. Therefore, Instagram has launched new controls that allow users to manage who can tag or mention them. Users can choose whether they want everyone, only people they follow, or no one to be able to tag or mention them in a comment, caption, or story. There are also many features like blocking. Block anyone you don't want to see your posts, and protecting your account with restrict. So that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Adeeb, signing out.